Hello guys, this is Puerto Rico, and the other day I went to the range and I did some drills, and everybody that posts video look really cool. They look really tactical. Most of you have seen T-Rex arm, Garand Tom and all these cool shooters, but the reality is that when they start shooting, they might not look as cool. And so here I have some video of myself at the range for the second or third time doing running drills, running and shooting and all that stuff. I am in an outdoor shooting range where you rent the bay or you pay your range fee and you can pick your own bay, and some of them have some steel target setups, and in this case I'm doing some drills on one of those bays that have all the steel target set up. First I'm going to talk about the gear that I'm using real quick. I have a leather gun belt from Vedder holsters, and this gun belt is really sturdy, it's really strong where I can hold all my range gear. For my holster I'm using a Kerber arms holster, and this is not your Kydex holster that is super light and maybe a little weak. This is a PuertoRecon or something like that. If I spell it wrong I'm gonna write it down right here, but it's a little bit thicker, a little bit stronger, but at the same time it's still super light. This holster is molded for a Streamlight TLR-1 for a SIg Sauer p320, but when I was using it I figured out that I can fit my holster for my Glock 19 and the same light. So I use both of the guns on these drills, running and gunning with the Glock 19 with the TLR-1 and the SIg Sauer p320 with the Streamlight TLR-1 as well. For my rifle I was using an AR-15, a Daniel Defense DM4B11. This one is the 16-inch barrel that have a key mount rail, and I believe it's the only Daniel Defense that have a key mount rail, making it super duper ultra light. And for an AR-15 magazine holder I was using a Kerber arm as well, the same as my holster and the same material, which is PuertoRecon or something like that. And for my pistol magazine carrier I think I was using the G-Code soft shell. I was also using a mag carrier. This is a cheap mag carrier for Condor something, I'm not sure of the brand, but I had 3 AR-15 magazine carriers which I was using I think on my last video. To start with, on my left I have like 4 or 5 little 4-inch targets, then I have a circle 10-inch target I believe. So I have like 2 poppers, this one you shoot them and they just fall. I think I have 4 of those little 4-inch plates and a big 10-inch plate. All these are steel targets. But yeah, that's the first station. I shoot some with the rifle, some with the pistol. Then I run to the second station and I think I have 2 big 10-inch targets. Then I have like 4 and 4 or 5 and 5 little 4-inch square targets. After that station I go to the back. I have 2 10-inch targets each on each side, and I have like 10 4-inch targets, and this is like 20-25 yards away, which was a little bit harder to hit those little steel targets, especially because I'm just a casual shooter. I don't shoot all the time or anything like that. So I'm showing it how I'm starting to train, and I want to share the experience so you see maybe how I start shooting a little bit better in a couple of years or not, but I still have fun. So I hope you like this video. Please check out the range B-roll right now and stay tuned.
Let's go.
about shooting at the range. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can also check any of the equipment and the guns that I was shooting on the description below. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Please subscribe and see you to next time.